Here we can see this is map of India. So it is given like that India, and we can see the it is shown in a colorful map, and here we can see the symbols what they used: international boundary, state boundary, rivers, country capital, state and union capital, and major cities. Let us note to we will go here and we'll check one by one. And it is the blue lines, it shows the rivers, and this is the district capitals, and this is the black with this one is the state capital. If you are checking other states also, we can see Bangalore is the state capital, Thiruvananthapuram is the state capital, and other district capitals it shows. And here is our Karur. This map is old map, not new one. No, new map only. Okay, because Andhra Telangana it is given, and let me check that Jammu. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, that division also given. These are the all the states and even union territories and with its capital. And union territory, one of the union territory, that is our neighbor one, that is Pondicherry. And what is the capital of the Pondicherry? That is the Karaikal. And the details we can, but it is small area, so we can't it is not shown like that. And the country capital, it is given like that, a square, that is New Delhi, that also shows. Then if you are taking any one state, we will get the information like this. And this is the capital of Gujarat, and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Like that, one by one state you can check. Then it is given the major cities also of the each and every state. We can see here Nagarkovil, Tirunelveli, like that major cities of Tamil Nadu it shows. Okay, now I will show one thematic map. We'll continue. Here we can see Indian railway map. This is one of the thematic map. That is, the theme is the railway of India, and we can see the railway lines and the with the different colors it shows. What is the meaning of the color? In map what we have seen in that was different. Here Kerala and Tamil Nadu given the same color, and Gujarat and part of Maharashtra it is given in one color, and the upper side means the northern side Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Punjab and that area it is given in one color. Why it is like that, and what is the meaning? We can see here in the right side of this one, we can see that one Central Railway, Eastern Railway. We are seeing the our color, that is blue color, that is the Southern Railway. This is our Tamil Nadu and Kerala, it is comes under the Southern Railway. And again we can see the country capital, major cities, and country boundary, state and union territory boundary, and railways also we can show. This black mark, it is the what we are showing with the white color, that is the state boundaries. And we can see the this one blue color, what it shows means red color, that is the country boundary, and here it is ocean, that's why not to show. And we are coming here, it is the Bangladesh, and here it is coming Nepal, and here it is coming Burma, and here it is coming Myanmar, and that area it shows with a red color boundary, that shows the country boundary with other country, and white color what shows the different state boundaries. And we are moving to our own state. In that we can understand this black lines, it is touched each other, that is means the railway lines which is connecting the different major cities or different areas. Then again in the map we can see the map not to scale, it is not given the proper scale, not according to the proper scale, that's why it is not given the scale. What they given, it is map not to scale, not according to the scale. Then we can see the direction also not showed in here, because it is a thematic map, that's why north direction it is given, but instead of right side they given the left side, and that only single arrow with N, that is shows the direction. These are the some of the information about the thematic map. Then I will show you now. Already we taken the political map, then we will take one physical map of India. We will continue in that we will take another one map. So we can see this map is the physical map of India, India physical map. We can see this one, and it shows the mountains and other things. Let us see Himalaya, that we are familiar with that name. Then Eastern Ghats, that also we are familiar, and we can see the Western Ghats. Then again the small mountains, like these are the three major mountains, and other mountains we can see Vindhya ranges, Satpura ranges, then Aravalli hills, then Thar desert, then Chota Nagpur, that is the plateau area, and here it is the Deccan plateau. This area it is Deccan plateau, and here this okay, this green color it shows the then according to the color what it mean, that also that not given here. Okay, usually that will give what it mean, and this is the desert, at the same time Himalaya with the desert, and other Ladakh is a called desert, that you will details you will study in classes 7th standard. So it shows the physical map of India, in that we can see the rivers also, Yamuna, Ganga, Karnali, and then Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, all, then Narmada, Tapi, and Indus, then Brahmaputra, all the rivers we can see here. And this is the physical map of India. So we studied about physical map, political map, and thematic map and we studied about direction, and we studied about distance, we studied about scale, then we studied about the sketch and plan. So have a nice day, enjoy, and coming days we will come with a revision. Thank you.